Hello everyone, this is Maryám Pérez and I am super excited to be back here with another video tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing 2 easy coloring techniques, but first, I'm going to quickly show you what's inside the Floral Watercolors Creativity Kit, which I'm gonna be using today. Okay, so first up we have the exclusive Floral Watercolors Creativity Kit Inspiration Guide. Next we have the beautiful Floral Spring Stamp Set and also the coordinating die. Then we have the envelope stickers, the Untitled Metallic Ink Spray, up next the embossing ink, the Altenew Pure White Crisp Embossing Powder, and last but not least, the Watercolor 36 pan set, which is everyone's favorite, right? Okay, so now that we have seen what's inside this kit, let's move on to our first technique. I started by stamping the floral image from the Floral Spring Stamp Set several times onto watercolor paper using the Altenew embossing ink. Next, I added some pure white embossing powder, top of the excess, and added some heat to melt the powder. Next, I took my Watercolor 36 pan set and started coloring. The way I colored the images was by adding different layers of color. I started adding the lightest colors first to give a base layer to the flowers and leaves, and then gradually moved towards the darker ones. These darker colors are great for adding depth and dimension to the images. In case you were wondering, here are the colors I used. For the little flowers, I used Pink Diamond, Puffy Heart, and Purple Wine. For the leaves, Bamboo, Forest Glades, Fray Leafed, and Evergreen. And for the stem, Paper Bag and Espresso. Okay, so now I'm gonna leave you with some music and I'll be back soon. Once I finished coloring, I took the coordinating die and cut off the image. I repeated this process 4 more times and then created a layer with the floral images I colored before, plus some other elements from the kit. Okay, now let's move on to our second technique. This time I started by adding a layer of water over a 5x6 watercolor paper. Next, with the paper still wet, I simply added watercolors here and there to create a fun background, mixing some warm colors. Once the background was dry, I stamped the same floral image from my first technique once again and heat embossed it as well. Unlike the first one, this time I colored the image trying to follow the same colors from the background but trying to add less water and more pigment. The idea of this sort of color and color technique was to give more attention to the floral image so it would look darker and stand out from the background. Once I finished coloring, I cut the piece at 4 by 5¼ inches and mounted it onto an A2 size top folding card, added a sentiment along with some enamel dots and sequins, and created a super fun card. And we're done for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help you. Don't forget to visit my post on the Altenew scrapbook blog to learn more about my projects and to see more photos. Also, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and ring the little bell so you don't miss any new videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!